The high occupancy of commercial buildings makes them one of the most polluted indoor air environments. The Guardian Air REME Halo by RGF can reduce these contaminants at the source. Installing easily into any forced air system, the REME Halo is designed to recreate the natural way the environment removes impurities in outside air. It does this by sending out ionized hydroperoxides into the space where you work and breathe, attacking microbes like bacteria, viruses, and mold spores, destroying impurities like VOCs, chemicals, and odors in every cubic foot of air in the building at the same time. The REME Halo even improves your existing filtration by causing the allergens to stick together, increasing filtration rates and energy efficiency without sacrificing airflow. Medical facilities using the Guardian Air have shown a decrease in MRSA cases, and long-term care facilities have saved tens of thousands of dollars by eliminating chemical odor cover-ups and increasing worker productivity. Public schools have shown a documented 15% decrease in absentee rates. The Guardian Air REME Halo is the only product laboratory tested and proven to reduce the germs in a sneeze by 98% before they travel 3 feet.